Okay, it's time to power and sleep. This option is also critical important and we should understand it. Power and sleep. So in power and sleep, you have two options. Number one is the screen, sleep. Not anymore. In the screen, you have two mode on battery mode or when your computer is plugged in. It means should it turn off how much of the time when your computer is just using battery power. I mean the display, when should it turn off? On battery power, turn off the screen after how much of the minute? You can say 1 minute or maybe 2 minutes or something else. When plugged in, turn off the screen 2 minutes. Okay, I really go regularly with 2 minutes, but you can say, well, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. On battery power, PC goes to sleep after never. I said never because don't go to sleep because I lose my work running job in the computer, running applications. Also in the don't sleep. Okay, I just said it. Don't sleep. When it's plugged in, also don't sleep. So I don't like that. Hmm. That's interesting. So if you really your work needs to be off your computers because your computer is really too much busy, so you have the options to turn on the sleep mode after some minutes or some hours maybe. It has hours too. And you can say never to. In the additional power settings, we have a lot of options to talk. But by the way, it's part of control panel, so may Windows 10 and Microsoft really take the decision, and they have taken, to remove control panel as soon as possible. My update is 2020. It's close to 2019 at the maybe the month 9. Okay. In here you have a lot of options to talk. Okay. The number one is choose what the power buttons do. Okay. You can change any settings you want it to. When I press the power button, what should it do? Sleep, sleep, plugged in, and on battery. But you can say when I press the sleep button, sleep, sleep. When I close the lid, hibernate, hibernate. You can change as many options as you wanted to in here. But we have a lot of options to do. Okay, in here. Let's go with the, for example, first one. Okay, it doesn't matter. These options are important to understand because whenever you go start and hit the power button, you have sleep, hibernate, shutdown, restart. Now, for some of us, whenever we install computer Windows 10, you have it first. Sleep is not available there. So to enable it, we come to the change settings that are currently unavailable. And we just check mark these options. Whenever we check mark it, and we have it there. I like hibernate because it saves everything for you on your hard disk, and then whenever when your computer turns on, when you turn on your computer, everything will be just back. Okay, I love that. And you can also change a plan for your battery. It's the same thing really as the first time we watched it and we learned it. Now you have the big advanced settings that you can change anything from here. It has a lot of sections: hard disk, Internet Explorer, desktop background, wireless adapters, adapter, sleep, USB settings. We have a lot of options to talk in here. Especially the battery power is mostly essential that you can say, well, on 20% of the charge when the computer is on battery, okay, and do this action, hibernate. You can do that. But it's a really advanced thing that please really go into it and really have some magnifier in it and then find your need. That's all about the power and sleep. Let's talk about the battery next time.